Michelle Cederberg here. Just finished a 6K run and I am pondering the whole idea of good enough versus pushing just a little harder. I am back to running, so the distance was short today, just a 6K, but I'm training up for a half marathon at the end of the summer. It's nice to be back at it, but I found my body was not quite responsive to this idea of working hard. At about the 3K point, I started talking myself out of finishing 6K. I said to myself, maybe 3K is good enough. And then I talked myself into going just a little further, got to 4K, and I thought, well, maybe 4K is good enough. You know, this is early season. But then I decided I would change how I was talking to myself, and I told myself, Michelle, you're feeling pretty good, you're cardiovascularly fit, you're not feeling any aches and pains, do the distance. You got this. So I pushed for a little more, and 5K turned into 6K, and I got the work done. I talked myself out of going for less. I spent the weekend with a very precocious 4-year-old who probably taught me a little bit about positive self-talk, because this little girl, she wanted to do everything, and she would tell herself, yes, I can do this. We would go adventuring, and she wanted to go longer and further and try different things, and she never told herself she couldn't. So I think we could all learn a few things from Ellie. Set your goals, decide what you're going to do, and then instead of settling for good enough, tell yourself, heck yeah, I can do a little bit more. We should all be a little bit more like 4-year-old Ellie and talk ourselves into doing the amazing things that we know we are capable of. Until next time, I'm Michelle Cederberg, reminding you that we only get one chance to do this fantastic life. I say, dare to live it big and dare to do a little bit more. Over and out. I gotta go stretch.